Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Binance to Metatrader 5. First things first, we need to go to the menu tools, pressing on the options, or you can also go Control O. Here's the option right here, and add on the expert advisors tab, add 4 URLs of the list, which is this 4 from Binance. So from in there, just make sure to choose the expert advisor, add this right here, and make sure to allow algorithm trading. And from in there, you should be able to connect those two together. But you can also use and disconnect the terminal from the Focus server completely. So just to do this, go to terminal settings, add in here the server and all of the settings right here, and enable proxy server in order to do that. And then restart the terminal and make sure that connection indicator terminal shows 0. Then after I've done that, you should be able to connect those two together. So that's how you connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. I hope this video helped you out.